Step 1. System Overview. This video is designed to help you use Xcube 90. Xcube 90 is a premium ultrasound system of Alpinion. This device improves user insight by providing excellent resolution and various features for accurate diagnosis. The system consists of a 23-inch monitor with a 12.1-inch touchscreen and a control panel with USB port. There are transducer holders on both sides with an additional holder provided for the user's convenience. You can press and hold the swivel button and move left or right, or automatically control the height by pressing the up and down buttons when moving the control panel. Press the power key to turn the system power on. You can find the sleep key besides the power key on the control panel. You can use sleep mode to save power while the system is not in use and quickly reboot. Control Panel Touchscreen Overview. You can find the soft key function on the soft key label at the bottom of the touchscreen. Press or rotate to select a function. You can assign various functions and user-defined keys. Let me introduce more detail in the Step 2 User Settings section. Press the Image Mode key to change mode. Rotate the key to adjust the gain of each mode. You can use the trackball to adjust the cursor position, and both cursor keys create and select a cursor. The function of the key is displayed at the bottom of the monitor, and the displayed information changes depending on the image mode. You can assign your preferred function to the print key. It is convenient to assign the image saving function to P1 and the Cine saving function to P4. You can learn the setting method in Step 2 User Settings section. On the keyboard, you can use Quick ID to rapidly register a patient, Patient Browser to search for a patient, Image Preset and System Preset to modify the settings, DICOM Spooler to check the PACS transmission status, New Preset to create a new preset using the current parameters, and Help to open the user manual. You can also use special function buttons for quick execution at the bottom of the keyboard, such as XSpeed that automatically optimizes the image and the cursor display button.